Hi, you could call me Priyanka. Social stories and pretend play. What are those? Anything which needs experience, which can be experienced, which can be felt, should be done in pretend play. Like haircut, nail cutting, going to the doctor's clinic, standing in the queue. These have to be done through pretend plays and not once, not twice, but in repetition almost every week if possible. Waiting in front of the ATM, waiting in the bank, in the later part, when the child grows up, not 4 5 year olds, but 10 12 year olds. Shopping in the market, waiting at cashier's counter. All these are experiential learning. Trust me, you cannot do this through social stories. You have to do this through pretend play. What is a pretend play? You create an environment, say in the house or in the school, with people playing the role. It's like a drama. Or a skit. You perform the skit of cutting hair, like create a salon at home or in school environment, put the cloth around and with the scissor make the sounds like this and comb your neurodiverse child's hair. So combing and make and the sound of the scissors or the shaving machine, giving the experience of haircut to the person, to the child on the spectrum, and slowly graduating towards haircut, proper haircut. Okay, now where do social stories come in? Wherever you need to teach something which doesn't need experience but which needs concepts like cause and effect, how things are related, how to narrate a series of events, how to understand that things happen one after the other. In WH questions, not the who, where, what, but how and why. These are the uh, options, these are the topics for which social stories come very handy, and they are very effective. And in the world of AI, you can do wonderful social stories using artificial intelligence. Why I want parents to make social stories customized to their children, because a child understands his world first. You have to first make a child understand his perspective, his world. Only then he or she will understand the world outside. So social stories should always be customized for every child and for every situation the child is in. So in Spectrum Books, I'm coming up with offering of social stories. You can share details about your child, about the events for which you want the social stories from me. I'll get all the details from you and I'll make social stories customized for your child for those particular events. And I will share pictures or PDFs or both that you need. You can take printouts or you can keep it digital and use it with your child. I'll also teach how to do social stories with your child. Let me know, ping me, write to me if you want social stories from me. Built in AI, ChatGPT, Gemini AI. Thank you.